Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to tell you how I do my everyday makeup or makeup on the days when I'm sick. So let's start with moisturizer. So I'm moisturizing my face really well because when you are not well your face looks really dull and tired, and in fact it applies on all the days. I'm using Nykaa SKINgenius BB cream. It has SPF 30 and I think I'm using shade tan, and the shade was a bit dark for my complexion as you can see, but I'm fine because it's much better than using a lighter shade of BB cream and look ashy. The BB cream blends in really well. It gives sheer coverage, and I really like the tone of the cream. It's not pink tone, it's pretty rich, and it's really good for every day. So when you are going to office, you do not want to apply a foundation, use a BB cream. So I'm trying out a lot of BB creams these days and will share my personal favorites. So as you can see, my face looks much even toned now. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and I'm using Milani Correct and Conceal Concealer Wheel. I'm using a lighter concealer under my eyes because my face was looking very dull that day. And as you can see, the concealer instantly brightens up the under eye area and it lifts up the whole face and looks really beautiful. Next, I'm applying a tint on my cheeks because I think tints look much better on cheeks and they look very natural because the tint blends into your skin and it doesn't look like you have applied a powder product on the top of your skin. I'm applying more cream or gel based products because my skin is dry, and I think gel and cream based products make your skin look really youthful and very soft. Next, I'm doing my brows. Brows are really important for me, so I'm just filling them up nicely. I'm using Pixi's Brow Duo. I really like this product. So the color is pretty soft. It's not like intense black or anything, and it applies really nicely. And on the other end, it has a gel which you can apply once you are done with your brows. Next, I'm applying Pixi's mascara. I'm just trying to finish up the mascaras I have already opened before trying on anything new. And this is a nice mascara. My lashes are very short, so it doesn't really add a lot of length, but it adds density. This is how my face looks after mascara. I thought I should apply a little bit of eyeliner, so I'm using this K Beauty Kohl, and this is a really black, very nice eyeliner. And after applying eyeliner, your eyes really look opened up and bigger. Taking my time, this just doesn't smudge, and very black. I really like it. Applying Lakme Forever matte lipstick in Mauve Party, and I really like this color, and this formula is very good. It's not drying. And lastly, I'm going to apply the Body Cupid Seductive perfume because smelling good is another important thing that you should do every day, and especially on the days when you are not feeling good. Good fragrances lift up your mood, and this one is very subtle. The top notes have bitter orange with a touch of raspberry. I personally love this fragrance as it lasts really long time, and it would be suitable for all those who don't really want intense, very strong perfume. This is quite affordable as well. I'm going to link it in the description box. Do check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.